Hello Snowflake engineers and welcome to the video. If you don't know me, I am Sujit Nair, a cloud data architect. I am also a Snowflake Snowpro certified professional. In today's video, I will be covering certification question related to Snowpro. Let's begin.
The question is, you would like to determine how many files are in the stage my stage. So there are two options that are correct here, and I will give you a couple of seconds to try and come up with the right answer, or you could pause the video if you want to. And the right answer is use the list command or select from the directory object. Now let's jump into a demo to try and verify if this is accurate. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a target database. I'm also going to create a stage in which I have enabled the directory during creation. Now what I can do is that I can do a count on this to, to get a count of number of files that are present in the stage. Also what I could do is that I could do a list command here, and I could basically scroll to the bottom to find how many files are there. So you see there are 226 files, which is also shown by by running the count command. If you want to actually see the files, what you can do is that you can remove the count and run the star, select star in order to get all other information regarding the file.